Chempov is a digital, multiplayer organic chemistry game. Let's play. Players can walk through a quick start tutorial to familiarize themselves with the rules. Players then choose which level of the game they'd like to play. Let's start a single-player game. We'll pick Irene as our avatar. Starting out, we see the main user interface of the game. On the left, we have the main board on which players move. It has chemical tiles, chance tiles, and transport tiles. On the top right, we're presented with a synthesis scheme card with hints about the types of organic reactions occurring for each step. You start off a turn by rolling a virtual 4-sided die. We rolled a 3, which allows us to move 3 tiles in any direction starting from where we are. The tiles we can possibly move to are flashing pink. Let's move to this chemical tile and try to collect the aromatic compound it displays. To do this, we have to answer a multiple choice question correctly. We got it. The chemical is now in our inventory. We can drag it to where it belongs on the synthesis scheme. This is single player, so it's our turn again. In a multiplayer environment, we want to complete our synthesis scheme as fast as possible to win. A good strategy is to carefully analyze and solve for all the missing blanks on the synthesis scheme. This way, we know exactly which chemicals we need from the main board. Perhaps osmium tetroxide is our oxidant here. We're not sure if it fits into the epoxidation or final oxidation step yet though. Let's just keep it in our inventory for now. Let's continue gameplay in a similar fashion. We are trying to collect all the chemical tiles we need to complete the synthesis scheme here. Let's check if the chemicals we've collected fit into the synthesis scheme. Sadly not. At least we have 2 tries per turn, so we can afford to be wrong sometimes. We rolled a 2. Let's try our luck on a chance tile. We're presented with a few face-down chance cards. I'm feeling lucky on this card. Oh man, never mind. Let's discard the amine. We'll keep going and try to fill up our chemical inventory. Our inventory's full now. Let's check if what we've collected is a good match for the synthesis scheme. We'll go for a chance tile again. Hopefully we have better luck this time. Awesome, let's find a chemical tile we want to move to. Our inventory is full, so we have the option to trade in all our cards for any chemical tile of our choice. We've made some good progress here, only one more blank to go. Here we have the option to land on a transport tile. This allows us to choose any other transport tile on the board to teleport to. Let's go to the one here. Now we're fully comfortable with how the rules of the game work. Let's use that to wrap up this game by finishing the synthesis scheme. We have to obtain an epoxidation agent for the first step. It might be the chloroperoxybenzoic acid we see at the bottom of the board. We've got it. Now we just need to get the correct answer here, drag the tile onto the scheme, and we've won.